Okay, let's go over 5.5, number 6. Alright, so first I'm gonna rewrite the first equation as, let's see, y is equal to, complete the square, so it's quantity x minus 2 squared. Right? Second equation can be rewritten as quantity x minus 10 squared. Right? And a y equals 0 is nice. Y equals 0, that's just the x-axis. Right? Let's draw the picture. Right? So there's going to be a x-axis. Here's the y-axis. Right? Origin. Right? So this is a parabola, and shifted to the right 2 units. So go that way 2 units. So it's going to be 2 right here. Then you have a parabola, which looks kind of like that. Alright, then this is the same way, so minus 10, so it's going to shift that way 10 units, so it's going to be, I'll just put 10 around here, say 10, and then you would have a parabola, which looks like this. Alright, then we're looking at the region enclosed by those two parabolas and y equals their x-axis. So we're talking about this guy right here. All right, so let's find that. All right, since the boundary curve on top here is the first parabola, and from here on you can see that this is going to be the top curve. So we're going to have to split into 2 sections, right? So first we have to find an intersection. Intersection would be, so you have x squared minus 4x plus 4. I'm going to set that equal to the other parabola, so we have x squared minus 20x plus 100, right? You can cancel x squared because we have the same thing on both sides, and then we can add 20 to both sides, 20x to both sides, and also subtract 4, right? So 20x minus 4x will be 16x is equal to, so this is gone, 100 minus 4 is 96. Alright, then we can just divide through by 16. So x equals 2. 96 divided by 16 is 6. Alright, so that means that it goes to, the 6 is the x value there. Alright, so let's compute. So the area is going to a combination of 2 sections. Alright, first section is integral from 2 to 6 of the first parabola. So it's going to be, I'm gonna use this guy. So x minus 2 squared. Alright, then the second section is from 6 to 10. Then the top curve is going to be just x minus 10 squared dx. Alright, so take the antiderivative, so it's going to be antiderivative of x minus 2 squared, and derivative of x minus 2 is just 1, so it's kind of nice and convenient. So you can see that it's going to be x minus 2, add 1 to the power, divide by that power, and then you're going from 2 to 6, right, and a plus. And antiderivative of that is quantity x minus 10 cubed over 3. And it goes from 6 to 10. Right? So evaluate that. Let's see, plug in 6. So you have 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 cubed is 64. over 3. And plug in 2. If you plug in 2, actually, it's actually 0. Right? Plus, alright, plug in 10. Actually, 10, plugging 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. Minus, plug in 6. 6 minus 10 is negative 4. Negative 4 cubed is going to be negative 64 over 3. Right? So it's actually a double negative, so it's going to be an addition. So 64 over 3 and another 64 over 3, so that's going to be 128 over 3. Right? That's the area. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.